Medical Department. He worked as the first director of Ayush and was instrumental in laying a solid foundation of the Department of Manipur. He worked as the first registrar medical graduate of the year. 50,000, and is donated by my brother, Dr. Karan Mokindro, who had just received the IMA Award for Distinguished Services.
Respected Sri Raj Mohan Singh Ji, Vice Chancellor, Dhanvanjari University, Imphal, Manipur. Respected Dr. R.K. Lenin Singh Ji, President, Indian Medical Association, Manipur State Branch. Respected Dr. James Il Gabam. Respected Dr. S. Gojendro,
who has generously donated the Gaurakishore Award, the Ram Gaurakishore Award, in memory of his beloved father for the best graduate, medical graduate of the year. The inmates of